In April 2026, an F-15E Strike Eagle was downed by a surface-to-air missile in the southern Iranian desert. The weapons systems officer, known to the public as Dude 44 Bravo, ejected successfully. Despite his injuries, he managed to hike 2 miles through the terrain and take cover deep within a natural cave. The IRGC and local militia units were already moving. Their signals intelligence teams began scanning the area immediately, hunting for any broadcast that would lead them to the pilot. This forced the pilot into a total radio blackout. Any attempt to use his emergency beacon or communicate with U.S. forces would serve as a homing signal for the IRGC teams actively hunting his frequency. Without a way to transmit his location, Dude 44 Bravo was effectively invisible, cut off from any traditional rescue efforts while the enemy closed in. Standard rescue tools were useless in this environment. Overhead satellites and high-altitude cameras cannot see through the solid rock of a mountain. Thermal imaging was equally ineffective, as the thick cave structures easily shielded the pilot's heat signature from external sensors. The pilot was facing 2 equally deadly outcomes. If he used his radio, he would be captured by the IRGC. If he stayed hidden, he would remain invisible to American search teams. Rescuing him required a system that didn't rely on heat or radio waves, a tool that could look through solid rock and detect a human presence without any signal being broadcast. The U.S. military deployed a classified system called GHOST MURMUR, developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works. The hardware was mounted onto Black Hawk helicopters and Combat Kings to sweep the Iranian landscape. Every human heartbeat creates a microscopic electromagnetic pulse. GHOST MURMUR's helicopter-mounted quantum sensors act as an invisible net, detecting this faint pulse even through solid rock. This is possible using microscopic defects in synthetic diamonds, which are hypersensitive to the smallest magnetic fluctuations. This system is entirely passive. It doesn't broadcast anything for the enemy to track. It simply listens to the environment. As long as the downed pilot's heart was still beating, his exact position was completely visible on a CIA monitor. However, quantum sensors pick up everything. The battlefield is flooded with noise from solar radiation, the Earth's magnetic fields, and enemy radar. The raw data is pure static, like trying to hear a single whisper in a stadium spanning 1,000 square miles. GHOST MURMUR uses a heavy-duty AI processing engine, acting as an aggressive filter to isolate the specific, repeating rhythm of a human heart. By isolating this biological signature from over 1,000 square miles of static, this advanced tactical system can successfully lock onto a single isolated target from up to 40 miles away. While the search teams locked onto the pilot's position, the CIA launched a massive disinformation campaign, leaking rumors that the pilot had already been smuggled out to divert Iranian resources away from the cave. U.S. Special Forces flew in below radar level to reach the pilot and establish a perimeter. But as they prepared, ground forces and local militias began converging on their location, sparking a massive firefight. Overhead, A-10 Thunderbolts hammered the advancing Iranian units. This volume of close air support was the only thing keeping the extraction corridor from collapsing under the weight of the IRGC ground forces. The U.S. also utilized soft-kill microwave weapons. By firing focused energy beams, they induced immediate vertigo and nausea in the enemy guards, allowing a small team of 20 operators to walk through a much larger force. The combination of quantum tracking, AI filtering, and overwhelming tactical power allowed the recovery team to secure the wounded officer and clear the area. Following the rescue, the military deliberately destroyed the aircraft used in the operation. The GHOST MURMUR tech is considered so vital to national security that the hardware itself is expendable if there is even a small risk of enemy capture. This mission demonstrates that traditional concealment has failed. When a quantum sensor can look through solid rock, even total silence and deep cover are no longer enough to hide from a modern search team. The CIA has proven that biological data is now a potent signature on the battlefield, turning a person's own heartbeat into a trackable beacon.